Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an extension in your Google Chrome browser. This is pretty simple and easy. If it helps, please subscribe to this channel. So first of all, you have to open your browser. Here I'm gonna open it first. And then you have to type the name of that extension. For example, I want to install TubeBuddy extension. So I'm searching here TubeBuddy extension. And now make sure that the web address is chromewebstore.google.com. This is the primary and default web address. So normally open it from that website, and to add it on your Google Chrome browser, then normally click on this Add to Chrome. Choose again Add extension, and after a few minutes it is going to be downloaded and it is going to be added to your extension list. So to find that, normally click on this extension icon, and here you will see that extension. I mean, for myself, this is TubeBuddy. If you want to pin it, just normally click on this pin icon, and then you can see it from your browser window. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to add an extension in Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.